Today I'm going paddling because the winter is coming and this might be the last time I can paddle this year. The days are started to be so cold that the lakes are frozen up any day now. What do we have here? Okay, I found a spot. Whew. Pretty cool. Today I have a real treat because I have a moose cheeseburgers. So this is minced meat and it's made of moose. When you're making these moose burgers, remember just salt and pepper, nothing else, just salt and pepper. These are almost done. Let's just wait the cheddar a little bit melts in there. Look at that. Moose double cheeseburger. Yes. Perfection. Quack, quack. Did you smell my cheeseburger? For food drink I have a bacard drink. Tastes awful. That was today's trip and me and my new friend are going back home. Thank you for watching. Dude is really coming with me.